Hackers are using AI to hijack your Gmail account. The shocking details. Cyber fraud is reaching new heights, and the latest target is your Gmail account. Tech expert Sam Mitrovic has uncovered a sophisticated new scam that uses artificial intelligence to steal your personal data. This AI driven scam creates fake account recovery requests that look like just the real thing. In a recent blog post, Mitrovic explained how he almost fell victim to this high tech trick. Let's break down how it works. Your Gmail is at risk. Here is what you need to know. According to Mitrovic's blog, the scam starts with an urgent message instructing you to recover your Gmail account, even if you never requested it. You might receive this as an email or a notification, often appearing to come from a different country. If you ignore the request, you might soon get a call from what seems like an official Google number, but it's not. The caller might warn you that your account has been accessed from a foreign country, creating a sense of urgency that makes you fall into the trap. In a panic, you might approve the recovery request, and boom, your account is in the hands of scammers. But that's not all. Hackers are also using AI to generate convincing phone calls and emails that look just like they came from Google. The AI can even mimic accents and create fake Google logos, making it nearly impossible to tell what's real and what's not. How to protect yourself from AI powered Gmail scams. Sam Mitrovic has shared some valuable tips to help you stay safe. Never accept unknown account recovery requests. If you receive one, reach out to Google's official helpline immediately. Check the authenticity of random emails you receive. Look for small differences that might indicate a fake, like change in the to field. Keep your Gmail account up to date and regularly monitor it for suspicious activity. Stay vigilant and keep your data safe from these evolving threats.
Remember, cybersecurity is all about remaining informed. Subscribe for cybersecurity news to remain updated.